Alright, today I want to do a review of this Ninja Foodie 8-in-1 oven. This thing is just super cool. I just started using it, really enjoying it. So the way it works is you turn it on here and you have air fry, roast, air bake, dehydrate, keep warm, roast toast or bagels, and then down here you can turn the light on inside the oven, or you can stop it if you're cooking something. But the cool part about it is there's a handle over here. You pull out, you've got a 13 by 13 deep dish cookie sheet. You have a tray that comes out underneath that you can wipe off and clean. Another cool thing about it is, like I showed you when we started using it, is it folds up and out of the way off the counter. And then you have an access panel here in the bottom, so you can get in, and if there's any crumbs that came underneath, or you need to clean the elements or look at the elements or whatever, a little vent on it. So I'm going to just crank it up and put a nice little bagel in it and turn it on. The function, I'll put the tray back in. The function here, when you press the button here to start, it shows you the temperature and it shows you the time. So it's 3 minutes and 35 seconds to bake a bagel at 450. So we'll scan forward. The other thing you can do is turn the light on, or if you're interested in it, you can just push stop here and the whole thing will turn off. And once again, it's an oven 8-in-1. You need to really kind of be careful with it because things are going to be hot when you pull them out, either the baking tray or that tray that I have the bagels on it. So be careful with that. But otherwise, this Ninja cooker is 8-in-1. It's really cool. It's really been convenient. We really quite like it with our family. Like I say, easy to use, multifunction. So definitely recommend it.